Let us start now. I am taking here two words, family and day. Here the word family ends with Y and there is a consonant before Y. L is here a consonant, C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T, consonant. And in the word day, the last letter is Y, but there is a vowel before the letter Y. It is V-O-W-E-L. Do you remember vowels and consonants? How many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U. All these are called as vowel. So, there are separate rules to change such words from singular to plural. There are separate rules for the words which end with Y but have vowel before them, and for the words which end with consonants which ends with consonant Y but have a consonant before Y. And consonants, all the letters as B, C, D, G, H except these vowels are known as consonants. First, we will take words with consonant before Y. To convert them from singular to plural, we have to remove, or you can say to drop Y from the original word and add IES to it. You can see here, what we have to do? We have to remove this Y and add IES. F A M I L I E S, families. What we did? We just dropped out. We removed this Y from the original word and we added IES to make it plural. To clarify it, let us take some more examples. Next example is trophy. Here again there is a consonant before the Y and we will remove this Y and add IES. T R O P H I E S. Here we added IES after removing this Y. Look here, it is one trophy and 3 trophies. Next example is copy. Again, P is consonant, so we will remove Y and COPIES, copies. Here IES is added to the original word after removing Y. Look here, it is 1 copy and 2 copies. Next example is diary. Here again R is consonant. So Y-A-R-I-E-S. We removed this by and added I-E-S to make plural of this word diary. You can see it is a diary, and here are two diaries. Next example is candy. Again, D here is consonant. So, we will remove Y and C-A-N-D-I-E-S. We added I-E-S to make it plural from the singular candy. So, here it is one candy. Mango masti, mango must. And here there are many candies. I hope you have understood this concept very well.